What's going on YouTube? Quick video. I have a 2006 Chevy Tahoe Z71. Replacing these license plate lights with the LEDs. Simple process. Someone said that you had to go under the truck and pop a loose a pin or whatever to get this out. I like to do things quick. I like to do things right. But anyway, what I did was I took a flathead screwdriver. I worked it in through the back. Just be careful because you don't want to break anything and then you have to replace it. But worked it in through the back side, popped right out. My new LED has a little plug right there that's going to plug right into this right here. And then I'm just going to pop it back in and it's done. So quick fix. Hope this right here help you out. Like and subscribe to the channel, please. Things are super bright, man. It's daytime, so